Good morning, children. Now we start writing. You can see this in the page number 68. Read the following notice. Here they given one notice. So here we can observe a notice that is to Government High School, Hyderabad regarding Green India Survey. They are given here with the date, and if we enter into the notice, this is to inform you that Green India Survey Group, Hyderabad, have done a lot of work in raising awareness among the people living in Hyderabad about how all of us make our surroundings neat, clean and healthy. In order to make the efforts more focused, they wish to conduct a survey among the youth through a questionnaire. All of you are requested to cooperate with the Green India Survey Group and fill in the questionnaire distributed by them. Regards, Headmaster. Here it means the group of Green India Survey placed in Hyderabad. They done a great work among people of Hyderabad to make their surroundings, homes clean and neat and healthy, and they wants to improve the awareness among the people and especially in youth. And we people have to cooperate with them in Green India Survey for its. Here they given two questions, and for this you need to add some information based on this notice. In first one, imagine that you are the secretary of the environment club of your school. Write a notice informing all the students to participate in the tree plantation week. It means that you are the secretary of environmental club of your school. Means in schools we have some groups regarding clean and green, environmental care and discipline groups, etc. So in that you should imagine that you are the secretary of your school environmental club, and you need to inform all students to participate them, and you need to participate them in that tree plantation week. Then in the second one, imagine that you have been asked by Green India Survey Group to complete the following questionnaire. Fill in the questionnaire by providing all the details. Write a report on how you would protect the forest. And in this, you need to answer the questions by Green India Survey Group, and you need to give the details and how you are going to protect the forest. Then the next one is Green India Survey form. Here they given one form, and you need to fill it with your personal information and with some additional questions. And in the next page you can find the first route. Here there is a small conversation between king and an old man. So please read it yourself for your better understanding. In this story, we can see a little boy and a selfless tree. The little boy always played under the tree every day, and the tree loved him very much. And once the boy was looking so sad. In replying, the tree asked him, "Why are you crying?" So for that he replied that, "I am feeling hungry." So the tree said, "Eat my fruit." Then later he grew up and became a young man. Again he looked dull. So the tree again asked him, "Why you are looking so dull?" Then the boy replied to the tree that, "I am going to marry, but I am not having any home to live in that." Then the tree gives its branches to make him a home. Then the boy became a sailor, and the boy always in the need of things from the tree for his works. At the end, the young man became an old himself, and the remaining thing is stump only. So finally, the young man became old man, and this man became very old in during the winter days. he is unable to bear that coldness. He simply came and sit beside of this stump of the tree. Finally, by looking at him, and the tree replied him that you can fire my stump also, and it gives you warmth for yourself. So from this story we can observe a boy and a selfless tree. And the trees were always useful to us for our every stage of life. Pick the correct answer. Who helped the little boy? Here, who helped the little boy? Tree. Tree helped the little boy. Second one, I am going to marry. Who said these words? The young man said these words with the tree. What did the young man become? He became a sailor. Then what does the story tell us? It is selfless giving. So the tree is selfless giving to the little boy. Say whether the following are true or false. What did the young man become? He became a sailor. What does the story tell us? It is selfless giving. The tree always, it is giving selfless to that little boy. Second bit, say whether the following are true or false. First one, the young man helped the tree to grow well. No, it's false. The captain was a kind man. It is also false. The tree helped the little boy till the end. Yes, it is true. Then the tree was loving and affectionate. Yes, it's true. Then pair work. Suppose you are the little boy in the story. You have to imagine that in the story we had a little boy now. In that place you have to imagine yourself. And how would you describe the kind tree to your classmate? You may use the following phrases. Here they given some words. Which words you are going to give that kind tree, and how you are explain about the tree to your friend. Reading poem. If a tree could talk. If a tree could talk, what would it say? Don't chop me down, just walk away. If a river could talk, what would it say? Don't dump in trash, throw it away. If the air could talk, what would it say? The factories must learn to keep smoke away. If the animals could talk, what would they say? Help us to live, we wish to stay. If the earth could talk, what would it say? Protect me by making every day Earth Day. So here we can see, if they want to talk, then how do they respond? Means a tree requests us to not cut down it, not to cut it down, and a river asks us not to dump in trash, means the waste things. We should not throw it in water. And the air asks the factories to learn to keep smoke away. And the animals begs us to help them to live as they wish to stay. And the earth is always asks us to protect the earth by making every day as Earth Day. We will send you the notes of this. Answer the following questions, children. Please note it down in your notes.